everyone. Today I'm gonna explain poetry introduction. So, what's the meaning of poetry? Poetry it means a beautiful use of a language to express feelings. And what the meaning of poet? Poet is the person who writes poetry. What about the meaning of poem or verse? It means the lines which are written by the poet to express his ideas. So, what the meaning of stanza? A stanza is a group of lines in the poems having the same idea. And we have here two stanzas. I am busy, says the sea. I am busy, think of me. Making contents to be. I am busy, says the sea. I am busy, said the rain. When I fall, it's not in vain. Wait and you'll see the grain. I am busy, said the rain. So both of them are called stanzas. What about rhyme scheme? Rhyme scheme is the same sound which are given at the ends of the lines. We show that they rhyme by giving them the sounds. Look at the above stanzas. You have here A. They are called rhyme scheme for stanza 1, and B are called rhyme scheme for the second stanza. What about of the paraphrase? Paraphrase it means expressing the meaning of a poem using different words, especially to achieve greater clarity. Let's move now for figures of speech. The first figure is called the simile. What does it mean? It means here the poet likens the persons or things to another things using as or like. For example, here, I wander lowly as a cloud. Here, the poet likens himself to a cloud. The second one, the moon like a flower. Here, the poet likens the moon to a flower. Now let's move to the other figures. It's called metaphor. Here, the poet gives something the image of something else. For example, here, tiger, tiger, burning bright. Here, the poet gives the tiger the image of fire. Okay, though. So the third figure of speech is called personification. Here, the poet gives something qualities of people. For example, I am busy, said the sea. Here, the poet gives the sea the image of a person who can talk. Okay, the fourth figure of speech is called contrast. Here, the poet uses the words and opposites to make the meaning clear. For example, here we have in this stanza contrast between here and there, up and down. Okay, the fifth figure of speech is called illiteration. What does it mean? It's repeating the same consonant at the beginning of different words on the same line to give music, which attracts our sense of hearing. For example, here, I am busy, said the sea. We have alliterations in said and see. The sixth figure of speech is called repetition. What does it mean? It means it's repeating words, phrases, lines, or stanzas. Repetition is used to emphasize a feeling or idea and create rhythm. And repetition here in this stanza and in the third line. That's enough for today, and see you in another video.